Benzinga Cannabis Capital Conference. We're talking to Paul Pedersen, the CEO of Nextleaf Solutions. Paul, thank you so much for your time.
Hey, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
So the company a month ago went public and you're listed on the CSE. How has the response been from the market? I hear it's very encouraging.
I think it's been great. We started trading March 22nd as oils on the CSE and been seeing a lot of volume on our stock, and I think our value proposition has resonated with the market in the sense that over the last 5 years this industry has very much been about growing plants and selling dried bud.
Yeah.
And talking about how many millions of square feet of funded capacity that you have, and I think as some of the other extraction processors are demonstrating as well, is that as we look ahead to October and the legalization of infused products, we really believe, whether it's an adult use market or a medical market, the future in this industry around value creation is going to be in companies that can transform plants into products. And I think our focus from day one has been about developing and protecting intellectual property around that extraction, refinement, and purification process, be able to enable the manufacturing of these products. So I think the last 3 weeks, our debut hopefully has shown that we're here to build a great company, and we're here to scale our technology now as Canada legalizes infused products in October 2019.
Yeah. So do you think you're going to lead the Cannabis 2.0 wave with edibles, infused products, concentrates taking the lead when it gets legalized? Because you talk about your patented technology being able to change how infused products are manufactured.
There's a lot of companies doing extraction or doing cannabis oil. It's sort of like moonshine versus premium vodka, right? The difference is in the refinement and the filtration process, and cannabis oil is the same thing. So edibles, vape products, infused beverages, those are products that aren't federally legal in North America. And when countries like the United States and Canada legalize these types of products federally, companies that sell them are required to have that high purity cannabinoid that's standardized for dose, that's tasteless, odorless, colorless, and can be dropped into a cereal bar, can be dropped into a beverage, a vape pen, or any of these nutraceutical products that are going to be massive parts of this market. And you mentioned it, legalization 2.0. That starts in October, and right now the only thing that's legal for sale in North America federally is in Canada here, and that's dried bud, dried flower, and vegetable oil with no more than 3% THC. And the future is as far as mass market consumption of cannabis products goes, is in non-smokable forms, right? Yeah. The creams infused with CBD and THC, the vape product that allows you to consume cannabinoids without smoking, the edible that's going to be so popular, and the issue with manufacturing those types of products with a crude extract that isn't highly refined like what we do through our patented process is that you have issues with taste, smell, and potency. So our technology solves that. We're very excited for the opportunity here.
2019 is going to be a big year for you. Who are you going to provide your patented technology? Who's coming to you? Anybody in your order pipeline?
Yeah, so our business model is built around doing toll processing and white label manufacturing, or the other word that people use to describe as contract manufacturing. And we think in this industry that makes a lot of sense. And we've got some great relationships. Looking forward to making some big announcements as we get into licensing again. Every single company in Canada, whether they want to do an infused beverage, they want to do an infused food product, or a vape pen, no one's licensed to produce these products in the recreational market in Canada. So Nextleaf is in that boat. We're waiting on the regulations to be finalized, and most importantly, as Health Canada works through the regulatory process, Nextleaf continues to develop IP. We've got 20 issued and pending patents. We expect to double that patent portfolio over the next 12 months. Most importantly is that we've been able to beat every single billion-dollar cannabis producer to the first issued patent around the extraction and purification of cannabinoids. So we're really excited again to offer a solution to a lot of companies that have raised a lot of money and deployed that capital building millions of square feet of indoor growing capacity. Where there's an extreme supply shortages is on the oil and derivative product manufacturing side. So, looking forward to the opportunity to really provide a turnkey solution to a lot of folks that have devoted 90% of their capital and focus on the cultivation or on the developing brand and distribution through the provinces in Canada.
Going by your excitement, we consider that it's going to be a great ride for you ahead. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much for having me.